Hey guys, today I will be playing this game. With my friend, Unicorn Nikki. Well, she's actually Kate, but that's just her name, okay? And she calls me Manny. Hello! Let's watch. Come. Let's watch. Or can't we join in? Can we join in? Why I got a balloon? Oh. Oh my god, I just got crushed. Oh my god, how am I not getting crushed? Oh, and also my friend is Cookie. So, I have two friends that are, what? Oh, well, I have two friends, alright, in this game. So, it's really, really hard to beat, because it just goes so fast. It doesn't even let you breathe. So it goes like this. Oh my god, now my other friend joined my game. Oh my god. We got so many many people that are my friends in the same game. Oh. Hi, Crystal. Oh my god, it didn't get me? Oh my god. I made it! Because we're playing this Bloxo game, and how did I not die? Oh, I died.
Who are you talking to?
Myself. I was so close. I wanna win again. Oh my god, what's this? What is this? It's polar bear. Wait. Hold on. You can ride this. Just This would be perfect. Cause like, wow. I just died like this. Not even. Oh, she wants to be my friend now. Sure. Where all started there, like people who survived. Oh, winning is very happy. So if you win, you go there. I don't get it. If you win, you go there. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today. That's gonna be it for today. So, a goodbye and peace. Peace. And subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing a songwriter prank to people on Roblox in the next video. So, yeah. Goodbye.